Hi friends, this is Stephen Bell. I'm the Senior Pastor and Executive Director of the Mustard Seed Street Church. Let's have a tour to see what's changed and what's the same and how we've managed to build back better since the fires about 6 months ago. One of the things you're going to be noticing are the new floors that are here in our hospitality center. Not only that, but over here you're going to see a TV and another TV that's over on this side of the wall. Again, this is used for our worship experience. Before, we were using a PowerPoint projector onto the wall. Now people who have vision impairments can stand closer to a TV. It comes to reading music or perhaps watching sports or whatever the case may be. We now have 2 dedicated TVs that are here. Other little things you're going to notice, we have all new worship equipment over here. New drums for Maddie, a new keyboard for Drew. We have new music stands, you name it, everything is here and ready to go. Another thing you're going to be noticing is that the stage has been pushed all the way back because we've removed the entire clothing area that's here. Instead, the clothing area is going upstairs, and we're going to build back better with a smaller boutique that has better, higher-end items for our community. On top of that, what you're going to be noticing over in these rooms here over the course of the next year are washers and dryers, industrial washers and dryers, also with showers, because we realize that when people come in out of the cold, a lot of times they just end up having to throw their clothes out because there's no place to wash them. This actually stops the ongoing cycle of throw something out, grab something, wear it, throw something out, etc., because now people have a chance to get clean. They have a chance to wash their own personal belongings, their own personal clothes, and then are able to leave the space with what they already have and maybe a couple of new things as well. Come on over here and I'll show you a couple of more things. In the back here, we now have our new devotion space. This is where we have our morning devotions now every day at 8:30, and of course you're always welcome to attend. About being able to constantly connect again with community spiritually here in the circle. Let's see what else we have over here. You're also going to notice that we have brand new washrooms that have been completely redone. Obviously, the lighting is significantly better than it was. We've definitely had a paint job that's happened all through here. Everybody remembers that wonderful smell that seemed to come out. We now have timed misters that are up here. Also one in the women's washroom. We also have brand spanking new urinals, new toilets, new everything through here. And again, there's nice, easy access that goes from the hospitality center directly into here, with everything else being closed off without having too many doors open. Another thing that we've added over here for the safety of not just the Mustard Seed staff, but also for the people who are outside, are open and closed shutter doors. Now the reason we've added these is because this is actually where the fire started, because somebody was trying to keep warm in the alcove that we had here and started a fire. That in turn came into, of course, this section of the building. So to make sure that people outside stay safe, to make sure that this building stays safe, we've made sure that we have a shutter door here, also one for the hospitality window that's over there, plus on top of that, another shutter that opens and closes electronically over in the market area. These are just a few of the things that are coming back. Of course, we have our hospitality window that continues to be open and able to be accessed from both sides, serving from this window so it's able to come out to the people who are in hospitality, and then outside as well through the windows that are over here, yonder. Of course, every morning there's going to be fresh coffee that's being served to our street community and to anybody else who wants some, because I'm going to be honest, Mustard Seed coffee is pretty awesome. Just want to say thank you so much to everyone who helped to rebuild this space. Thank you so much from our friends at On-Site Construction, for our friends at Downs Construction, obviously Keith and everyone else. This place looks absolutely incredible, and we are so very thankful that you came along to partner with us. For everyone else, this isn't the end of what's happening at the Mustard Seed Street Church. This is just the beginning. We've built back better so that more things can happen in this space, but we need you to be a part of that. And so if you're interested, please feel free to give the church a call. Feel free to give me or any of the pastors or any of the elders in our church a call. We would love to work with you. Thank you again for everyone who's been partnering with us. We'll see you all soon. Thank you so much.